Hey, do you lack the confidence to speak and practice English? Or are you too embarrassed and shy to speak? Studies show that the fastest way to learn a language is through conversation. Many learners focus mainly on rules and proper writing, but forget to practice their speech. Our objective today is teaching you how to speak confidently and fluently. We want you to act completely natural when you start speaking to a native. We want you to feel good when meeting new people and adapt faster to a new city or a new job. In this video, we will show you 4 simple tactics to improve your English speaking and confidence. I'm Nicole, and welcome to Preply's YouTube channel. Let's get started. Fluency means being able to talk easily about anything you like, but if you aren't there yet, a bit of practice and planning will boost your confidence. If you're headed to an event where you know you can practice your English skills, or if you're just meeting a friend, try planning one topic you'd like to speak about ahead of time. Decide what you want to talk about, set a timer for 3 minutes, and discuss it with yourself. If you feel like 3 minutes is too much, start with 1 minute and then increase as you grow more confident. The main goal of this exercise is to get you familiar with the topic you want to speak about within a safe space. But remember, try to express your ideas in English without pausing. If you're missing a word, find a way to explain yourself without looking up the word you're missing. After the exercise ends, look it up. I promise, the next time you speak to someone about that particular topic, you will feel way more confident and be able to speak fluently. Practice, practice, practice. And here's how you can do it. Put on your favorite movie or TV show. But don't just sit there and watch. Instead, listen carefully to what the characters or hosts are saying and repeat some of the dialogue. Go ahead and pause, rewind, and listen to the lines several times if you have to. By the way, if you're on the hunt for new shows, we've put together 8 Netflix shows in a Preply article to help you learn English. Click here and have a read. But first, let's continue with our tips. If you are at all serious with improving your pronunciation, we also recommend recording yourself. Listen closely to how you use intonation, rhythm, and stress in your sentences, and compare it to how the characters in the film or TV show say the same sentences. For pretty much everyone, speaking a new language means fighting through a fear barrier. This is completely normal. Your native language is a very precise tool for describing concepts. You're completely aware of subtle implications your words carry, how to use irony and humor, and how word stress can slightly change the meaning of what you're saying. People who have mastered a language have had to get comfortable with making mistakes. Identify what mistakes you're making and spend extra time studying to prevent these errors. Real progress comes from when you learn from your mistakes and get over the embarrassment of putting yourself in English-speaking situations. Which brings me to the next tip. Have you heard of the phrase, "practice makes perfect"? Almost all advice on achieving your fluency goals will eventually come down to this. The one thing you absolutely have to do to speak English fluently is get more speaking practice. Nothing else you can do is as effective or as important. Speaking English is the best way to improve your English. Conversations make you think in English, help you put grammar and theory into practice whilst improving your listening and vocabulary at the same time. You can buddy up with an English speaker who's learning your native language, or find another English learner to practice with. If you're shy and don't feel comfortable asking people to practice with you, don't worry, I've got your back. How about scheduling online one-on-one classes with an English tutor on Preply to get expert help on your speaking skills? You can schedule lessons whenever they suit you. You can work with a tutor towards specific goals such as an exam or just improving your conversational English. And lessons start from as little as $10 an hour. If you found these 4 tips useful, hit the like button. And remember, practice makes perfect. Do you have any other language learning tips? Let us know in the comment section below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more language learning tips like these. Until next time, stay curious and keep practicing.